Ditch the cable box but keep the live TV. Let's break down YouTube TV in just 90 seconds. YouTube TV is a streaming service that lets you watch live TV channels over the internet, just like traditional cable, but without the contracts or clunky equipment. It streams channels like ABC, CBS, NBC, ESPN, CNN, Fox News, and many more, over 100 channels depending on your location. Think of it as cable, but delivered over your internet connection. The interface is clean and simple. You get a live TV guide similar to cable, where you can browse channels and see what's on. A key feature is unlimited DVR. You can record as many shows as you want and keep them for up to 9 months. This lets you watch your favorites anytime, anywhere. YouTube TV allows for multiple users, up to 6 accounts per household. Each person gets their own personalized recommendations and DVR library. You can watch on your TV, computer, phone, or tablet using the YouTube TV app or through a web browser. It's super flexible. So, no contracts, unlimited DVR, multiple users, and the ability to watch anywhere. It's a modern way to watch live TV. Now, is YouTube TV the right fit for you? Consider if you primarily watch live TV, want flexibility, and don't want to deal with cable companies. Do your research to see all the channels offered in your area before making the leap.